Hey folks, Abogado Ray here. I've gotten a lot of questions about the 21 Savage case. Again, I'm not his attorney, and I didn't do the criminal case, didn't the immigration case, but people have been asking what's going on, how did he get arrested, what happened. So here's what I've been able to piece together from the media, from what ICE has been reporting. 21 Savage was arrested yesterday by ICE. ICE went looking for him. Now, they're claiming he is a UK national, which doesn't mean he was born and raised in London or anything like that. Very well could be from an island in the Caribbean that the UK had possession over. That's how he got a UK passport. He came in as a minor, overstayed his visa, and has been living in the Atlanta area ever since. Now, my first thought as an immigration attorney is maybe he's DACA. The timeline kind of fits. There's a possibility that he turned 16 here, went in the States, so he came in before 16, GED, high school degree, whatever it is, or was pursuing that, and didn't have felony convictions, and maybe that's how he was able to get a work permit, if in fact he had one. Maybe he was adjusting status and they're waiting for a visa to be available. I don't know. But what I do know, the one negative that I'm seeing reported in the media is he has a felony drug conviction, which DACA or no DACA is really bad. We've had a lot of clients, unfortunately, in this situation. So someone who's been in the country but gets a felony drug conviction is therefore inadmissible and, in fact, removable from the country. So we're seeing a lot of reports that hopefully he gets out soon, hopefully he gets out on bond. My fear as an immigration attorney is that when they try to get him out on bond, the immigration judge is going to say, you have a controlled substances offense, therefore you're not even eligible for a bond. You have to stay in detention while you're fighting your case. And again, who knows what happens after that, but as an experienced immigration attorney, that's my biggest fear, is hearing reports of him having a felony drug conviction. Now, anybody who is an immigrant that has a felony charge or any criminal charge should really have an experienced attorney guiding them along the way that says, hey, if you plead guilty to this, this is what the result is going to be in immigration. Because it very well could have been a great criminal plea to no jail, probation, whatever it is, but 5-6 years later, and you're seeing here with 21 Savage, it could come back to haunt you. So what I would do in that case would be looking at post-conviction relief, filing a motion with that criminal court and saying, hey, he had no idea what the immigration consequences were going to be. Let him reopen his case, let him fight his case again, because he was not properly advised of the immigration consequences. Now, someone who's overstayed their visa is otherwise eligible to adjust status by marrying a U.S. citizen. Unfortunately, though, that conviction, to me, is going to be the big thing that he's going to have to get over. So my thoughts are with 21 Savage and his family. It's no joke. I mean, just because he's a rapper or just because he's famous, that doesn't mean he's not going through a tough situation. ICE does this on the daily. ICE does this on the daily. They go after young people that have been here, that have been part of the community, that have been contributing, that have been helping out, that have been being a positive influence, puts them in detention centers, and deports them every single day. I hope this doesn't happen to 21 Savage. Hope he has the best legal representation in the country that can work on his case, that can get him out, that can keep him here, because everything I've heard, he's been doing amazing things over there in Atlanta. So that's my opinion on the 21 Savage case. Hope he gets out. Hope he gets out soon. And remember, if you're an immigrant or if you know anybody in that situation, make sure they get legal help before they plead guilty. Abogado Ray, give us a like, give us a share, give us a subscribe, and we will talk to you soon. Take care.